Alright, so for our derivatives, for the e, it is the original times the derivative of the exponent. For the natural log, it's 1 over the argument times the derivative of the argument. And then this is just our old stuff, so this is just 8x cubed. This is a quotient rule because we have fractions with x's in the top and the bottom. So we just do our quotient rule. Derivative of the top. Notice there's our original times the derivative of the exponent times the bottom minus the derivative of the bottom times the top over the bottom squared. Again, another quotient rule, but this happens to have e to the x in it and natural log. So 1 over the argument times the derivative of the argument times the bottom minus the derivative of the bottom times the top over the bottom squared. Two things multiplied together, that's going to be our product rule. So derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second. Now, I'm leaving the 4 with this. These are my two pieces. And so I have the original times the derivative of the exponent, then times the first. So now this is the derivative of just this piece. Now I need to do the derivative of 3x natural log of x. So derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. And you can reduce or you can leave it like this. WebAssign should take any algebraic equivalent answer except, and here's something you have to remember. In WebAssign, for all the natural logs, you're going to need parentheses around the exponent. So if I just wrote this, it's going to count it wrong. I need to put parentheses around it so that it will read it correctly. So like up here, I also would need parentheses around my argument. You always have to put parentheses around the argument or it's going to count it wrong.